What, Allie?
The only other...
There's scraping.
The only other...
There's some polishing. I mean, I don't know if we want to start on the regulators. I don't know.
I think our girl's a regulator queen.
We have too many people.
Scrape on one side, regulators on other. Scotty, you could do a polishing demo.
Yeah, Scotty could do it.
Because you're the polishing champion.
I can polish it. Oh, you meant...
You're using your hands here,
The
not...
rest of that foam.
Yeah, anyway.
There's
All right.
a little bit left.
Away we go.
So this one.
A thingamajiggy-doody.
Yeah, she just kind of.
You gotta pop the...
She just kind of.
Oh, look, there you go.
Yeah, she comes right out.
Hey, girl's on it.
Like crap through a goose.
This.
Crap through a goose?
Oh, wow.
Man, it's like time I had real bad chili.
So,
I could have
we
shit
need
through a
to
wool sock and not get any on no
this,
thread.
And the foam, like this foam. Yeah. Not all of it. Just as much as we can
Oh, I
get.
see what
Oh,
you're
see,
saying
it's,
here.
and
They
it's
have a
coming
little-
off. I mean,
little
it's
hoochie
not
jigger.
There's a little
horrible.
something.
Secondary product review on the Goo Gone.
Wow.
Wick got it open.
Yeah, it took a little bit of forcefulness.
Well, you know.
Yeah, they typically don't want you opening.
Hey, Goo Gone. Suck it.
Ooh, look, it works.
All right.
Nice.
Problem solved.
Good job.
Wick's hired. All right. We got the scrapings and the pryings. What you got going on, girl?
Oh, we're taking off the trim here.
Ooh, trim.
There's another one here. We're just gonna.
We're scraping. Paul's digging away down here. Doing a good job. Look at that. Gang's all here.
All right.
I went to the Ford dealer.
There's your
last
first problem.
week. Yeah.
Hey!
And I want to just check out the Expedition.
I like the new Expedition.
They didn't have a single one on the lot.
Oh, no.
I'm like, really? Okay. And he's
Wait a
like,
minute, did you go to this Ford dealership?
Yeah.
Mike's scraping. Look at that.
They don't have nothing.
Oh,
they
they're
don't have
no good?
anything here.
Oh. Well, so I asked
no.
him.
Neither
Palm
Ford
Springs
dealer in town is any good.
Most dealerships here have nothing.
Yeah.
We were shocked because when we went to go buy the Corvette,
There's some more.
we plugged it in.
Did you go to Jessup or La
No,
Quinta?
we went to La Quinta Calla.
Good.
And-
That's the only Chevy.
Yeah,
dealer that's
they
got
had
one.
they had two of them.
Yeah.
Actually, they had three, but one was in en route.
Yeah,
And like I said, the reason why we jumped on that one is there was no dealer markup.
Yeah, you got the deal on it.
Yeah, we got a deal on it. And they gave us more for that piece of crap Lexus than, you know.
Look at that. Paul's got a big old chunk going over there. Mike's scraping. Peter's still in the town.
Cooking it.
Andre's beating it like he owes him money. Nothing new.
Nothing, no.
You should see his OnlyFans.
You know,
Shameless plug.
blameless plug.
At this pace, we may be done.
I love when people go-
The Buick parts.
You don't have to do the black.
Oh, dear.
Yeah,
And people are like, people come up and be like, you look familiar, and I start laughing.
You don't have to do the black.
Because it's like,
Just the,
You don't have to do the black.
okay.
just the brown
like-
stuff.
Either I have one of those faces, or
If you can pop
they've
it
seen me
off.
somewhere else.
It seems like it's
Yeah, you
kind
guys,
of
you
going
don't have
all
to
the
be
way.
the black.
Yes.
So you don't have to struggle with the
Yeah,
black.
just a foamy.
So hey,
Just the orange foam.
Just the fuzzy, foamy stuff.
so if question for you, if I'm getting the 40,
Oh, girl, how's it going?
Oh, girl, we're just unscrewing.
Oh,
Madman.
it's fine.
Ooh, look at that.
Somebody's already done the work for us. Oh, there's a little screw there too.
All right, I'm gonna go check on Scotty. Ooh. Little art.
The hours plus long work for this piece.
But it'll be nice when it's done.
Yeah, but it takes forever because you got to get a lot of this. You can feel if you run your finger on it, and this is coming out smooth, but you can feel the pitting on the other side.
I feel it right here on the edge.
Yeah, and that's what we have to get
A
out.
little bit out.
But it's one of those. It's sand a little bit, double check. Sand a little bit, double check. You know, so then it's. I've got what?
I'm gonna go turn these lights up. Highlighting Andre's butt. We're setting up the shot.
hybrid. I think it's a twin turbo.
Look at these boys. They're going
3
10.
liter V6. It's got like
Woo!
This is gonna be good.
So we just pulled off the panel,
Panel off.
and
Ooh.
these regulators obviously are dirty and gross. But we could do a little part blasting.
Ooh, blasting, then parkerizing.
Everybody could take a turn. Does everybody want to try part blasting?
Who wants to play with the blaster unit? Yeah. Well, don't ruin it for the rest of us, Mike. Jeez. Middle management. Middle management over here. He threw me a rag and he gave Grant a beer yesterday, and now he wants a raise.
Damn right. I want 2 beers now.
Sold. So yeah.
So how do we disconnect this from here? That's probably the first job, is get this off of there, and then we can take the regulator out.
There we go. Look at that. Look, you found. Yay, found work.
Oh, look at
I don't know if that's
some of these rattles too.
How's the back of that look, Allie?
Some old fucking.
That's some flimsy. That's some balsa wood or some shit.
Yeah.
Model airplanes are.
Knock on wood, make a wish. I don't know. I think this is kind of seen some better days. What do you think?
That's fine.
Somebody go down to Lowe's, get new
Get
some
some wood. Put some wood glue, and then
Yeah.
and then when you're done, I mean, like the backing of it is fine.
Yeah.
Actually, these clips are surprisingly good too.
Those are very
Yeah,
nice.
those are
I don't know if
reusable.
I got any more in there, but that's obviously what that little screw was doing in there.
Hey, missing a clip, Whit.
Missing a clip. Missing a clip.
Do you have these in Zimmerman Hardware?
I'm not sure.
Zimmerman's
we do.
Hardware.
We might have some of these, but
That's a kick-ass shirt Wick has, by the way.
oh, lovely.
You got
Wife got
dressed
that for
up.
me. I did.
I wonder who got that for him.
I don't
I
usually.
bet Allie did.
I don't usually get this dressed up for shop.
Look at that.
Did you crack your?
No, it's scratched on the covers.
Oh.
It's covered. So I just throw that away, put a fresh one on. It's like a tear off on a helmet.
So that's a repair job.
That's gotta be fixed.
And then all of this needs to.
That's gotta be blasted.
black oxide, something.
There's just an Andre. This is funny. Usually it's someone on a bearskin rug. You have a bear on a Fiat.
There,
Fiat.
Fiat floor.
Fiat.
So
Fiat floor.
these two tens and then
I'm gonna go watch. Scotty, what are you doing?
We are going to attempt.
Making pretty? Ooh, smoother.
Well, if you feel the edge, it's still a little rough in there.
Ooh, like right here.
Yep.
Hey, go! Scotty magic!